Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some top tips on how to speed up your Windows 10 PC. Tip number 1, disable unwanted startup programs. To do this, push Ctrl, Alt and Delete on the keyboard, then click on Task Manager. Once that's loaded up, go across to the Startup tab. Here you will see all of the apps that boot up every time you boot up your PC. Look through them and see what ones you want to disable. Apps like Cortana and maybe your iCloud drive or your OneDrive don't need to be going all the time in the background, so you can disable them and just load them when required. Tip 2. System Maintenance. In the search bar at the bottom, type Control Panel, System and Security, Security and Maintenance. Then you need to go on the drop down menu under Maintenance and then click on Start Maintenance. Tip number 3. Adjust visual effects. In the search bar at the bottom, type sysdm.cpl, which will take you to the System Properties. Here you need to select the Advanced tab and then Settings underneath Performance. In the Performance Options menu, you need to select Adjust for Best Performance, Apply and OK when you're happy to do so. Just quickly look through the options underneath. If there's anything you want to keep enabled, just tick it, then Apply. Tip number 4. Turn off transparency effects. Click on the Windows menu in the bottom left hand corner and click on Settings. Here you then need to go to Personalization. Once in Personalization, you need to go down to submenu Colors, then toggle off the Transparency Effects tab. Right, well that concludes today's tutorial on how to speed up your Windows 10 PC. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please do drop a like and subscribe, as it really helps the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.